Hi, today I'll show you how to enter the safe mode on the PS4. First of all, you need to turn off the PS4. Then, when it's completely off, hold down the power key for about 8 seconds until you'll hear a second beep. Then release the button. Now you need to connect your DualShock by using the USB cable. So let's connect. And press the PS button. So this is the safe mode. You have some options in this mode, but if you want to go back to normal use the PS4, you just need to select the first option, restart PS4, and press the X button. As you can see, that's all. Press like, comment our video and subscribe to our channel.